Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited to share with you a sneak peek of these upcoming tests starting October 1st. Have the professional only ceramic coatings, all of these except one, which I'll get into in that video, that they're only able to be purchased by professionals, therefore installed by professionals. I've worked with some certified installers of the coatings that I am not a certified installer for in order to make sure that I nail down the installation. I'm installing everything this weekend, so 7 days from that, because they need 7 full days to cure. It'll be just after the 1st of October, and that install and setup video will be coming shortly as I get everything applied this weekend. That test, as I said, it may start just a couple days after October 1st because I need to make sure that they have the 7 full day cure time. On the other end of this spectrum, I have a Chinese only ceramic coatings test that I'm working on. I purchased everything in, I think, January or February of 2021 from AliExpress, and most of them didn't start showing up until June or July, which is just incredible, but that's the slow boat from China. And the total cost for all of those products involved, except for one, I think I spent less than $180. So very inexpensive. Will be very interesting to see if those do well or not. And also, as you know, the glass coatings test, I have the test regarding the longevity of the hydrophobics. That's up and running, which will be good to go on October 1st. They're currently just curing in our shop. And the second part involves wiper resistance, washer fluid resistance, and water spotting. In order not to have any contamination, I have a new set of wiper blades. So doing the math, there's 27 products times 2, that's 54 wiper blades. I've cleaned out 3 different suppliers so I could have the same wiper blade. And this, of course, wasn't inexpensive, but therefore I can only test one product at a time. So I tried to think about doing 2 at a time, but there's still a risk of contamination if any of the product may not be fully cured or something. So I wasn't going to chance it. I'm going to do it right. There's all this time, money, and effort that's gone into this test. I want to make sure that we leave no stone unturned. Don't want any possibility of contamination. So that being said, that test is going to take some time due to the fact that each product has to be fully cured before I can even go about testing it. Some of these products take in excess of 4 days to fully cure. Even if you had one a day that you were doing 27 products, that's 27 days, but it's going to take longer than that because, as I said, some take longer than that to cure. Another thing we're going to be doing is testing out the UV resistance, because a lot of these products say they reduce UV or they resist UV. Well, the glass company that I had these 3 windshields that I purchased from, I had them cut me out 27 small squares of regular glass. And so what we're going to do is each of those 27 squares, we're going to cut in half. That half will be the control. The other part will have the product applied. And I'm going to apply those as I test each product for the windshield washer test. That way I'll have that product. I could have done it with the hydrophobics part of the test, but they didn't have everything cut and ready for me, so I had to wait until the second part. So there's going to be a lot involved in the second part of the test. It's going to take me a while, so just letting you guys know that I am working on it. I have some other cool tests in regards to scratch resistance for coatings, things like that coming up. Paint protection film, a little bit more on that. So have a lot planned, just don't have a lot of time. We're still trying to get our mobile detail van up and running and having some setbacks with that. And our shop has been crazy busy too. So it's been very hectic, a lot going on. I'm trying to devote as much time as I can to the channel and the test on the channel, but just know that it takes a slightly lower priority than my running the day-to-day in the business. So thanks for being patient. I appreciate all the support. All you guys are watching. It's been amazing. We crossed 20,000 subscribers in March of this past year, and we're about to hit 30,000. So the channel has increased 33% in subscribers in about 6 months. So that's pretty amazing. So stay tuned, guys. Just wanted to give you an update, and I will have the installation video for the professional only coatings this weekend, and I will probably have the Chinese ones too. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys.